Hello, today I would like to introduce you or present you about how we make the Thai tea or coffee here. You can see like here it's like a trolley full of the like a beverage thing that they can mix up. You can see like they have like a green one, like a green syrup here. It's apple, and that one is strawberry. Another one is pineapple, and also another one, what is it inside that? Orange is like a mixed fruit together. So basically here is the menu. Basically they have it here, and they have like a kind of a store like this. Yeah, and you can see they also sell it in cup like that here, and also they also have in the back like this as well. So basically you can put it in the bag or in a cup. And Bill is the owner of the food store here, like a drinking store here. So this is her name is Bill. She's very nice, and this is her son and her family. So basically I order her two drink. One is coffee and one is cacao, cold one. So now she just prepare and gonna make it. So now we can go here. You can see the background, the child is crying as well. So the thing is, I asked this morning about what is inside here. You can see that it's totally different from the way that you make the drink from like a kind of well-known coffee shop or something. So this is the one that she make it. She just measure with with the way that she used to. She will ask the customer as well, that is you want to make it like more sweet or less sweet or something like that. And we also mix it with the condensed milk there. See that as well. So I just try to focus it more. And this is a cocoa cacao one. She's gonna make coffee for me as well. This one is a coffee powder mixed with hot water. And this is the one that I told you is quite interesting because like instead of coffee machine, we have like a kind of pot like that with filled with the hot water. She uses with the gas here and boil it. So basically we have this one, and then she can make like mix it with hot water. อันนี้บิวใช้ทำอะไรอ่ะ
อันนี้เอาไว้ชักชาค่ะชักชาเขียวอันนี้ชักชาแดง
Oh, okay. This one I asked about what is inside the bag here. This one is a green tea. When you like a customer want to ask for green tea, she will use it for this bag and just lift it up like that. You can see this one is green tea, and another one is just like a tea, like normal Thai tea. That one. And she has the bucket of the ice there, ice cube, which is quite nice. It's like a kind of the shape is different from normal unit ice. Put it in the cup like that because I order for the cup. So the coffee for me and the cacao for my daughter, for my sister. So you can see this is the way that when you want to order tea, she will mix it in the bag, and then she just pour it in the cup. So when it's finished, it's gonna be look like that as well. And the price is quite reasonable. Actually, it's cheaper than when you go to the coffee shop. because the price here is just she charge only 35 baht per cup or 35 baht as well for the bag as well, compared to when you want to order from the well-known popular one, it costs you more than like $3-4. So this is the one that she finished now, and we are ready. So this is all for the how to make the Thai tea in Bangkok, like for the food for the drink stall like this. Okay, thank you very much for watching and see you for the next time. Bye bye. ขอบคุณค่ะวิว Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.